Hi, I'm Laura. Are you looking to learn English but don't know how to start from the comfort of your own home? Don't worry, you're not alone. Learning English can open so many exciting doors for you. It can help you make new friends, watch your favorite movies without subtitles, travel more confidently, and even create better career opportunities. If you're feeling unsure about where to begin, I'm here to guide you. In this video, I'll share the simple and practical steps that helped me when I first started learning English. These steps are not only easy but also fun, and they're perfect for practicing at home at your own pace. Stick with me until the end, and I promise you'll walk away with a clear and actionable plan to improve your English. A little about me: I learned English on my own, without spending a lot of money on expensive courses or private tutors. It wasn't always easy, and there were moments when I felt frustrated. But I stayed consistent, and every small step I took added up to big progress. If I can do it, I know you can too. Let's start this journey together, one simple step at a time. Ready? Let's go. Before you begin learning English, take a moment to ask yourself an important question. Why do I want to learn English? Having a clear goal will guide you and keep you motivated, even when learning feels hard or frustrating. Think about your reasons. Do you want to confidently introduce yourself? For example, saying, "Hi, my name is Laura. Nice to meet you." Or is your goal to watch movies and shows in English without subtitles? Imagine sitting back, enjoying your favorite series, and understanding every word. It feels amazing. Maybe you dream of chatting with friends or colleagues in English. Imagine connecting with people from different countries, sharing ideas, and building friendships. Or perhaps your goal is to improve your job prospects and open doors to better opportunities. Whatever your reason, make it personal and meaningful to you. Write it down. Grab a piece of paper and write your goals in simple words, like, "I want to speak English fluently." "I want to understand movies without subtitles." "I want to talk confidently with my friends and colleagues." "I want to improve my career." After writing your goals, place the paper somewhere you can see every day, on your desk, wall, or even your mirror. Seeing your goals daily will remind you why you started and keep you excited to move forward. When I set my goals, it gave me direction and made me feel ready to begin. Remember, clear goals are like a roadmap. They show you where to go and keep you on track. Now that you've set your goals, let's take the first step. Start with the basics. Starting small makes it easier to build your confidence and enjoy the process. Remember, every expert started as a beginner. Begin with the alphabet. Practice saying and writing each letter until you can do it smoothly. Once you're comfortable, move on to numbers, learn how to count, say, and write them. These are foundational skills you'll use often. Next, focus on common everyday words like hello, thank you, sorry, please, and yes/no. These are simple, but they're the words you'll use the most in conversations. Practice saying them daily, and try to use them in short sentences, such as, "Hello, how are you? Thank you for helping me. I'm sorry for being late." Don't worry if it feels awkward at first. Like any skill, it gets easier the more you practice. To make learning enjoyable, try using flashcards. Write a word on one side and either draw a picture or stick an image on the other. For example, write apple on one side and draw an apple or use a printed picture on the other. Go through your cards every day to help you remember. Another fun idea is to label items around your house. Use sticky notes to write the English name of objects like door, table, chair, or mirror, and place them on the corresponding items. Every time you see those objects, you'll naturally absorb the words. Take your time with this step, and don't rush. Celebrate small wins, like saying a new word correctly or forming your first sentence. The basics are the foundation of your English journey, and every step counts. Once you feel confident with these basics, you'll be ready to take on the next challenge. Practice listening. Listening is a key part of learning English. It helps you understand how words sound, how they fit into sentences, and how people use them in real-life conversations. The more you listen, the more familiar the language will become to you. Start simple. Watch English videos or cartoons with subtitles. When you hear a word, you can see how it's spelled and understand its meaning. This makes it easier to connect sounds to words. Shows for kids are a great choice because they use simple language and are fun to watch. Listening to English songs is another fun way to improve. Pick a song you enjoy, play it a few times, and try to sing along. Don't worry if you don't catch every word, it's okay to miss some. With time, your ears will get used to the sounds, and you'll pick up more words. You can also use beginner-friendly podcasts or audiobooks. These are designed for learners, and are often slower and clearer. Listening to short stories or simple lessons every day can make a big difference in how you understand English. Want to challenge yourself? Try listening to different accents, like British, American, or Australian English. It might feel tricky at first, but it will prepare you to understand English speakers from anywhere in the world. Here's a useful tip: repeat what you hear. If someone in a video says, "How are you?" pause it and say the phrase out loud. Try to match their tone and pronunciation. This is called shadowing, and it's a great way to improve your speaking and listening skills at the same time. Practice listening every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. It's one of the fastest ways to get comfortable with English. Listening helped me understand the language better and made me more confident. Once I got better at listening, I wanted to improve even more. Read and write daily. Reading and writing every day is one of the best ways to improve your English quickly. Plus, it's fun and lets you express yourself in new ways. Start small. Read simple material like children's books, short stories, or comics with pictures. These are great for beginners because the images help you understand the story, even if you don't know all the words. As you read, say the sentences out loud to practice speaking and listening at the same time. When it comes to writing, keep it simple in the beginning. Write short sentences about your day, like, "I had breakfast with my family." "I watched a movie today." "It was sunny, so I went to the park. Don't worry about making mistakes, it's all part of learning. As you grow more confident, challenge yourself by reading longer stories, simple news articles, or blogs. This will help you learn new words and understand how sentences flow in English. You can also try writing about topics that interest you, like your dream vacation, a favorite book, or something funny that happened to you. To make reading even more effective, keep a notebook for new words. Write down the word, its meaning, and an example sentence. Review your notes regularly to remember them. Getting feedback on your writing can also help a lot. Join online communities or groups where others can correct your sentences or give advice. This way, you'll improve your grammar and connect with people who are also learning English. Reading and writing daily helped me feel more comfortable and confident with English. Each sentence I read or wrote brought me one step closer to fluency. But don't stop here. The next step is to surround yourself with English every day. Let's explore how you can do that in easy and fun ways. Now that you've practiced the basics, listening, reading, and writing, it's time to surround yourself with English. The more you hear and see the language every day, the faster you'll improve. This is called immersion, and it's one of the best ways to learn. Start by changing your phone and computer settings to English. This will help you learn new words and phrases every time you check your messages, apps, or browse the web. It's like learning without even thinking about it. Another great immersion technique is to watch English TV shows or movies without subtitles. At first, it might be hard, but don't give up. Try to understand the story and pick out words you know. Over time, you'll be able to understand more and more. To make it even more fun, try playing word games or puzzles in English. There are many apps or websites where you can practice vocabulary and spelling in a fun way. You can also talk to yourself in English when you're alone. It might feel strange at first, but it's a great way to practice speaking and build confidence. Surrounding myself with English helped me learn faster and made it feel more natural. But, of course, learning English takes time. You have to be patient and keep trying, even when things feel tough. Let me tell you how I stayed motivated through it all. Learning English takes time, and there will be moments when it feels tough. But don't worry, mistakes are normal, and they're part of the learning process. I can't tell you how many times I forgot words or mispronounced them when I was learning. At first, I felt frustrated, but I didn't stop. Every mistake taught me something new. Instead of focusing on mistakes, celebrate your small wins. For example, when I understood a line in an English song without looking at the lyrics, or when I wrote a paragraph without any mistakes, I felt so proud. These little achievements make all the hard work worth it. They show you that you're getting better each day. It's important to stay positive. Remember why you started learning English in the first place. Whether it's to travel, talk to new people, or get a better job, keep that reason in mind. And think about how far you've come. Even on tough days, you've already made progress. One way to keep track of your progress is by writing things down. Keep a notebook where you write new words you learn or interesting phrases you hear. You can also write about your goals and what you've achieved. Looking back at your notes will remind you of all the hard work you've put in and motivate you to keep going. Staying patient and keeping a positive attitude helped me a lot in my learning journey. These simple steps helped me reach my goal, and I know they can help you too. I feel very proud of what I have done. Learning English gave me many new chances and made me feel happy and confident. I hope my story helps others feel excited to start learning English too. At first, it might feel hard and a little scary, but don't give up. If you keep practicing and follow the right steps, you can do it. With patience and hard work, anyone can learn English. If I can do it, so can you. If you liked this video and found it useful, be sure to catch our next one. We've got an exciting and engaging topic ready to help you practice your listening skills. Click here to watch and keep improving your English.